How to delete all archived stories on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete all archived stories on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your preferred account. After that, you have to head over to your profile page, so tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile page, head over to top right and tap on the three-line icon. So on the settings and activity, scroll down a bit and there you have an option as archive, tap on it. And here you will find your story archive. From the drop down above, make sure you have chosen stories archive. And under this page, you will be able to find all your archived or your stories archived. Here you cannot delete all at once. However, you can delete one by one simultaneously. So tap on the story that you want to delete. Here tap on more from the bottom right corner and here you have an option to delete it. Tap on delete and again tap on delete. So here you can delete all of the archive stories one by one. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.